And a large part of that is actually a function of, the weakness that we're seeing in the Nifty Bank. So if you look at the Nifty Bank, it's down about, 0.8%, a little closer to the percent. The Nifty itself has fallen below the 25,300 mark. And this despite the IT index not falling as much. So, the large part of the decline has been led by the Nifty Auto, Nifty Bank, Nifty, FMCG names. All of them have seen a big cut. And Reliance itself is down by about 0.4%. So where does Reliance go from here, which is still not falling as much as the frontline index and the IT index? How do they perform in the second half will be extremely crucial to track, because below the 25,300 mark, there's a fair amount of selling that is likely. Nifty's fallen below the 200-day moving average as well. And the advanced decline tells you that the portfolios are in a bit of a disarray. Nearly 1,800 stocks, 1,850 stocks in the red for sub-1,000 stocks which are in the green. A large part of the decline also could be attributed to all those put writers who have been caught on the wrong side. So look at the 25,450 put. There is open interest coming down out there, which implies that those put writers have been caught on the wrong side and they are panicking, covering their positions. 25,500 put writers also are panicking and covering their positions. On the way up, there is a lot of supply which is expected, which is reflected in the kind of call writing that we're seeing. 25,400, 25,350. And as the Nifty stays below that 25,300 mark, we'll start to see call writing at 25,300 as well. So let's monitor that as we go. The only silver lining from here on is that, the put-call ratio has moved towards that oversold zone of 0.7 versus 0.88. So at some point, there could be a bounce. Whether that bounce is sustainable or not, and whether that bounce will get these call writers out of action or not is something that we will be tracking. But as of now, things do not look particularly good for the frontline index. Fresh shots seen on L&T Finance, Angel One. A few long positions added on a couple of these oil and gas names. So we have Oil India, Petronet, LNG doing fairly well. Dixon Tech as well. But remember, Dixon Tech is a stock which has seen a big correction from the top. So the ones which are gaining are the ones which have actually seen a big cut, and the ones which are losing are, the ones which have been consistently losing right now. And the Nifty Bank definitely stands out because 60,800 thereabouts was an important support zone. Now it's fallen below that. It's closer to 60,655 thereabouts with a cut of almost 0.8%. And as the day progresses, let's see how flows pan out as well, because it's turning out to be bad. Because, if you look at the trend of the frontline index, both the Nifty Bank as well as the Nifty, at any point on this Friday, had you made a short position, you would have been making money. So that chart looks a little, more bear-friendly than bull-friendly.
It's a worry.